Would you like to get in a ride in a Porsche? Look at this. It is a Porsche Cayenne.
What year is it?
It doesn't matter. Let's get in. Let's get into the most amazing car that's ever lived. Now, what's when I start this car? Oh, that's a real powerful engine. That really just has so much energy. And now, one thing that's very, very clear is that a lot of YouTubers, they do have fancy cars. Sometimes they're renting them though, and they don't actually own the cars that they claim to be talking about. But I actually own this vehicle. That's actually a newer version of my vehicle. Now, one thing about why people want to make money in the stock market has to do with a very simple reason. There's an incredible energy you get when you drive a car like this. It just has so much power, and you get to take it to amazing locations. You get to feel as though you are really part of the road, that you have a firm grip on it, and no matter what, you're pretty safe. You have a great grasp of the reality of your car being pretty amazing. So all these cars here, there's a lot of traffic. They're all trying to drive by in order to see me drive this car, because they're all trying to get a great view. We're gonna go to an amazing location that's filled with a lot of fancy homes right here. The main reason why so many of us were trying to focus on the stocks, find the next best thing, is they want to use all of their money and to buy a vehicle like this Porsche, because it gets you a lot of attention, it gets you places fast. Even when you get lost, you like, look at this, look at how high we're gonna be going. Whoa. This is part of the joy of having a car like this. You could just take it on this really hilly street, and all the fancy people of LA live on the street. A lot of celebrities live up here. Of course, you know the O.J. Simpson trial, the Johnny Cochran, he used to live up here. And then they have a private security, social security. Oh, they didn't want a social security, but there's a private security here, and they will drive around this area 24 hours a day. And so if you don't belong here, they'll just start talking to you like, hey, what are you doing? Are you taking pictures? Why are you taking pictures? Do you have a permit? You know, the people here don't like it when you take videos of people. So it's an incredible thing to have a car like this, because if you have like a Pinto, and I know some of you do drive Pintos because you're trying to save money, so you buy a $100 car, then the car wouldn't even get you up here, and you wouldn't be able to take advantage of the great experience of driving around here in this wonderful fancy area. They just really repaved this road because, oh, do you get to see a view of LA? Do you get to see it? See the view of LA. Some of these people, to see the home, they see the view of the city of LA from their Porsche. That's why I drive a Porsche, by the way, so I can see the city of LA from my car. That's one of the selling points.
Celebrities live up here, or they used to?
What's interesting about this is I haven't even downshifted yet, and the car just is not out of control. Like, you know, some cars you'd have to downshift already because the car would just be out of control from going on a steep hill. I have not used the brakes. I have not downshifted, so that's pretty cool. Because I've had a lot of cars. I've had car before I would have to really downshift, and it would be hard. I had to downshift now because I didn't want it to. Now I'm using the brakes. So in closing, if you think about it, the major reason why people are investing in the stock market is so they could drive this car. So I'm driving it for you, to give you inspiration that you can be someone who can drive that. I mean, I'm not someone special. I got, as an example, in high school, I had like a D+ average. So if you're a D+ average student, one day you could be driving something like this, a really remarkable car. Anyway, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.
No. We're gonna record like the road, like the Colorado trip.
Oh wow.